What's going on, gang members?
We
poppin'? back with the final episode of Chainsaw Man. First we finished Bleach and now we finished Chainsaw Man. Who do we think we are?
I know, right? We doing it now. We doing the thing.
Because we will be watching that good old JJK, that good old part 2, 1,000-Year Blood War coming at you soon, okay?
Waiting on that.
So, yeah.
Waiting on that.
But,
anyways.
yeah, you know, last episode, what was last episode?
They about to go.
Oh, they didn't have a plan.
Snake and Sword Man.
And Ghostface Killer didn't really make sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We ain't gonna talk about that though, because I'm enjoying the show.
Yeah.
So, you know, what else? They doing that. You said that Aki is seeing a future that's not happening right now.
That's what I believe.
Yeah.
Believe.
So,
believe.
we ain't gonna do too much. We probably just gonna hop straight into this final episode. Keisha got something to say too. Tell him.
Anyway.
Without further ado, we're gonna get into this.
Bro, he not down like this.
1本あげる。君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返してあげる。
Cigarettes go stale. That mother probably disgusting.
What happened?
It's a cigarette. That very first one.
Oh my God, you so smart. I'd have broke out crying right there. I'd have to go home. Cancel the whole mission. So I guess he was really being choked because he was breathing heavy.
Easy revenge.
Why is that in English?
That's cool. They specifically wrote that in English.
So when they be fucking these demons up like that, do they die or do they just like go back to the underworld? And they say, fuck you, I'm never doing another contract with you.
I'm assuming they actually die, they perish.
That demon looked like she be like, but it's like 10 voices stacked on top of one another. Damn.
Ooh.
The casual knife hold is crazy.
Yeah, she hard.
Yeah, she is. Oh, I'm dead.
What you was up there doing?
肉は肉じゃろ。
I'm dead.
こいつら気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
わしなのパ
God, bro.
ー。勝負じゃ。
Have at
She's so obnoxious.
わしについてくる。
Bro, I would walk around her kind of ass.
me, he about to go up. I knew it.
I entrust my back to you.
What say you now?
She's just saying anything.
So stupid.
I would have left her stupid ass too, no lie. Why Denji teeth so sharp?
They always don't like that, huh? Maybe just a character design choice?
Sideburns, man. Beat his ass.
デンジ、お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。
So, you know what they was doing to me?
してほしい。そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか。
No.
全然。
Right.
俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか。
Yeah. Pull the string.
うん。
Go ahead. Right.
じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
やってみろよ、ベー
He just pulled his hand off like a glove. How did they end up diving after a building? That's a big ass building to fall from. He was on at least like the 11th floors on?
12, I think.
Damn.
That's how they fell through.
Tough ass kid. I'd have been on the train like, the fuck was that? They need to start showing us these people's reactions. Oh, wow. He was totally riding the train.
Man. Can we ban that move?
Both your arms, Denji? Come on now.
That move cheap.
もう戦えない
Is it?
じいちゃんを殺したこと死ぬ
No!
Fuck that. I mean, forget that nigga.
じいちゃんに謝罪しろそしたら楽に殺してやる
Man, forget you, your granddaddy, and everybody he ran with. What?
丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよアンガとな
Back. Damn.
Man, played that man to the left.
There's no way it took him that long to split in half.
Especially with a chainsaw.
He had a whole before he dies like statement. A whole speech.
You know that's anime. You been saying that for the longest.
I'm gonna keep saying it.
警察がてめえを迎え来るまでここでじーっと待ってなきゃなんだけどよ
I'm not gonna kill him.
俺はいろいろ納得できないんだよねお互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち
正気かお前
Are you psycho?
You saw how Aki was looking at him.
勝ったら何くれんだそりゃもちろんこいつの玉切りだ
This show is so unserious.
Mate. I'm dead. All the characters kind of look sad. That's pretty cool. I'm dead.
姫野先輩天国まで聞こえるか
It's so sick.
俺たちから安泰のレクイエムだ
それが聞き出す前に
Damn. That's crazy.
I missed it. Was it Snake?
銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません
No, I was gonna do.
She laced it.
Oh my.
Just kidding.
I feel like I remember this scene.
I don't know.
Like
Maybe.
from the beginning.
Yeah. It does seem a bit familiar, don't it? Excuse me, that's grass.
デンジ絶対に開けちゃダメだ
Gonna release some type of evil? What happened if he opened the door?
Who is Pochita?
Exactly.
Power.
田舎のネズミと都会のネズミどっちがいい
Well, now who was that?
No, they really playing with us, bro.
Oh, bro. I'm gonna let you go
really
first.
playing with
Keisha,
us.
what is you upstairs doing?
Yeah, let's
Now,
talk about
come
that.
Here. Tell everybody what you up there doing.
Upstairs, all I hear is do. Upstairs.
Let me
What are
smell
you
your
doing?
breath.
Oh, you almost got me.
Watching you, gal.
Keecha.
Get on somewhere.
Anyways, I don't know. The last episode was okay. It was an okay finale. They definitely what they did was show us a whole bunch of nothing, a whole bunch of shit that we will not understand. Towards that little end part, not really a whole bunch of stuff that we wouldn't understand, but just kind of I don't really know how to explain it. But the fights were also a little shorter than I thought they were gonna be. But I mean, it was only one episode left. But I still liked it. And I'm ready for the next season. So, whatever you got.
So the first half of the show, I was not here for it. The first 6 episodes was just about grabbing boobs and butt, and Denji like taking over all the fights, even though he is the junior of his peers. I was not a fan. I was happy that there was some type of training. I feel like maybe we could have saw a little bit more of training. I think that would have pleased me. And we don't know what the future devil did. And the fights were short, which was whack. Like, I was expecting to be on the edge of my seat. When the next season of Chainsaw Man drop, if Carell is reacting to it by itself, don't be shocked.
That's crazy.
I'll be behind the camera. I don't know.
I
Chips
might
or
want some
something.
crazy stuff happen. You don't be asking me about
Bro,
it.
crazy stuff happen every other episode. Like, it's like you gotta get. I don't know, bro. Like, the first 6 episodes was not crazy.
It was Chainsaw Man was
The story wasn't there for me.
Yeah, I think it was super hyped up.
Yeah.
And so now, like after actually watching it, it was just kind of okay.
Yeah. Like, that's something I would have watched and not told nobody about.
Yeah.
Like, almost a little bit ashamed to watch that one. Like, that one would have come up in conversation. If it wasn't hyped up so much, it definitely would have been one of the lesser known anime.
But I did still like it. I did still enjoy it. I think I really liked that. It wasn't what I expected, like for sure. I don't know what I expected, but it wasn't that. But it was like super. It wasn't like super deep or nothing like that. And I mean, we only watched the first season, but it was just kind of. It just felt kind of chill. Even when crazy shit was happening, it wasn't like mind-boggling.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it was just kind of like, well, that happened.
You know, another thing I don't really understand, the dynamic of the devils in like civilian life. Like, is this just like a regular thing? They just see devils all the time and people is always coming to save them.
Yeah, well, I guess that's why they got the little division thing in the first place.
That's what I'm saying. It's like, I don't know.
Like they got Jujutsu sorcerers in JJK.
But people don't know about like, I know that in JJK, regular people don't know about these things. They just speculate, and you have your conspiracy theorists and stuff like that.
But do regular people know about them?
Right. Like, I would assume so, because that big ass worm looking one that fought Denji in the beginning was dead in the middle of the city. So I'm assuming they know. But I
think
know.
they know. I think that people know about them because they know about the little division and everything and what they do. So I'm assuming they know. But I mean,
very anticlimactic.
Yeah, I don't think I have anything left to say about Chainsaw Man. I'm definitely gonna watch the second season though.
I will close out with, I thought that they was gonna redeem themselves. The second to last episode had me hyped. I'm ready to go to bed. Thanks for nothing.
I can respect that.
He in fact did not respect that. Yes, I'm hopeful. Yes, I am hopeful for today. He went on later that night to make fun of Joshua. Good night, y'all.
Alright, y'all. We'll holler.
Peace.
Peace.